Spreading love and joy with this hand-painted fireplace banner. Join me. Happy holidays, beautiful people. Today I'll provide you with step-by-step instructions on how to make this banner. Before we get started, I just want to remind you that my Christmas decor video is in the link below. And also, if you're interested in learning how to make your own Christmas stockings, I've done a tutorial and the link is provided for you down below. All right, let's get started. When I started to do this banner, I thought I would just use cardstock, but then I realized it might be prettier to go ahead and paint on canvas fabric. So you can do it one of two ways. I'll show you both. Closer to the end of the video, I'll show you how I used markers to make this style. But let's get started with the fabric banners. All right, first step is you need a template. So think about all the things around the house that you can use to draw the shapes that you need for this ornament. Once you've sketched your item with pencil, go back over it with a black Sharpie marker. Once you've finished drawing in all the lines, put it through your scanner and copy machine and save it to a file on your system so you have it if you ever want to go back to this project in the future. And here's a design tip. I like to always use cardstock because it holds up better with the Sharpies. Once you sketched the ornament onto cardstock and made copies, go ahead and print one out in cardstock, trim it to size, and then use that as your template. With one of the ornaments that you've already cut out, and with a Sharpie marker, draw in your design, then you can start dropping in the paint. And I like to use a stenciling brush because it leaves kind of a fuzzy edge, and I like that. That feels farmhouse to me. So go ahead and just paint straight onto fabric. Let's move on to the ornament cap, and I start by applying a very light purple base, and then I drop in silver, black, white for highlight. If you don't want to paint on fabric, you can also cut these out of cardstock and just use markers, crayons, or pencils. And here's the reveal. So what do you think? Let me know in comment section. So you've already watched me paint on fabric. That's how we got these different bulbs. But the lettering, the word joy, I went ahead and designed that in Photoshop, and you can use PowerPoint too, and I printed to cardstock. Thanks so much for joining me on this tutorial. I hope you try it, and I'd love to see how yours turns out. Not quite ready for Christmas, but feel like painting? Why don't you try watching this video? You can find it on my channel. If this video helped you at all, I'd sure like a thumbs up. I'd love you to leave a comment, and please feel free to share it. And a message from Gigi. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.